guys, welcome to Kate and Ash's kitchen. Today we are going to be doing horchata. It's a super delicious and tasty drink. So let's get started. Pour in 2 cups of rice, 2 cinnamon sticks, and break them in half. Two cups of water, and let it sit overnight for a better flavor, since the water will absorb all the flavor of the rice and cinnamon. After it has been left overnight, pour into a blender or food processor and blend for 2 minutes. Straining your rice and cinnamon through a sifter with a cheesecloth will prevent the rice from going into the liquid. In a blender, add in a full can plus half a can of condensed milk. One can of evaporated milk, and 1 cup of milk. Blend until mixed. And there you have it, tasty horchata. It's refreshing, sweet, and the rice flavor is amazing. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to support us, and like and share, and we will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!